Hi guys, so highly welcome back to my kitchen. And today's video I will show you how I made this very beautiful whole tilapia in an air fryer. If you're interested, please relax and please continue watching. So the first step is to clean our fish. Over here I have this one very big tilapia fish. So what I did here was just to remove the gills and all the yama that is inside the fish, which we don't need. I went ahead to remove everything. Next I went in with my lemon. It is okay to wash your fish with lemon because lemon reduces the odor, the fish odor. Lemon reduces that and helps to clean your fish as well. But if you don't have lemon, that is okay. It is not compulsory. Okay, most times I don't use lemon, but because I have lemon on this particular day I used it. So don't even bother if you don't have one. After cleaning the fish, transfer to a chopping board. Next, use a paper towel to pat the fish dry. Next, cut off the fins by the side of the fish. You can do this either with a knife or with a kitchen scissors. Using a knife, make 3 slanty incisions into the fish. This will help the fish to cook well on the inside and also to absorb the seasonings that we are going to add to the fish. Now for the marinade, I'm going to blend some onions and some bell pepper. You can also add hot pepper, that's hot habanero or scotch bonnet pepper if you prefer. After blending, transfer to a mixing bowl. Next, add some paprika, which is optional. I just wanted to give it more color. I also added some garlic salt. If you have fresh garlic, you can also blend it with the bell peppers and the onions. Here I added some rosemary. I added some black pepper. I added some knorr seasoning powder. I added salt. Lastly, I added some vegetable oil. I will list all the ingredients I used for this marinade in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Next, give it a very good stir and set it aside. To apply this marinade to my fish, I will make use of those very beautiful brushes and spatulas from right there. These brushes are so beautiful. They are so flexible. They are heat resistant. You can check it out on Amazon. The link will be in my description box. You will also get a 20% discount if you use the link in my description box. I used the brush to apply the marinade to the inside of the fish. I also applied on the outside of the fish. You can also do this with a gloved hand if you don't have a spatula or a brush. After applying the marinade on the fish, you can leave it in the fridge to marinate for some hours. If you don't have time, you can just transfer immediately into your air fryer or into your oven and just start air frying or baking immediately. So here I'm going to air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we are going to open it and apply more marinade. To garnish the fish and also to introduce more nutrients and flavor to the fish, I'm going to garnish the fish with those bell peppers and those onions. And to do that, I cut the bell peppers into strips. To season the vegetables, I added salt, I added some black pepper, I added knorr seasoning powder, I added some vegetable oil, and I mixed everything together. This was after the first 10 minutes. I applied more marinade and I air fried again for more 5 minutes. After another 5 minutes, making it a total of 15 minutes, I flipped the fish to the other side. I then added the vegetables. I added more marinade to the fish and I allowed it to air fry again, this time at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for more 5 minutes. So this was after 5 minutes, making it a total of 20 minutes, and our fish is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share it and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day.